Understanding Natural Law, a comprehensive guide. Natural law is a fundamental theory in ethics and philosophy that asserts human beings possess intrinsic values dictating their reasoning and behavior. According to this theory, moral truths are inherent to all humans, transcending societal constructs, laws, or judicial rulings. This article delves deeper into the principles of natural law, tracing its historical roots, points of divergence from positive law, its impact on various fields, and its relevance to contemporary society. Key concepts of natural law. Natural law posits that there are universal moral standards inherent in humanity across all time and civilizations, forming the foundation of a just society. Here are some essential takeaways about natural law. Innate morality. Humans possess an intrinsic sense of right and wrong, guiding their decisions and actions. Historical roots. Concepts of natural law can be traced back to ancient philosophers like Plato and Aristotle and have continued to be influential through figures such as Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. Universality. Natural laws are perceived to remain constant across cultures and eras since they are based on human nature, not influenced by specific customs. Counter to positive law. This theory stands in opposition to the notion that laws are purely constructed by societal constructs, such as legal statutes or judicial interpretations. A deeper understanding of natural law. Natural law is not something one is taught but rather discovered through self-reflection and moral decision-making. The idea that we have an intrinsic moral compass enables individuals to make decisions aligned with good versus evil, which some believe is imparted through a divine presence. Individuals, regardless of their governmental, cultural, or religious backgrounds, share the same rights under natural law. However, it's important to distinguish these birthrights from human rights, which often differ based on societal norms. For example, a human right in the U.S. like equal pay may not be universally acknowledged in other nations. Natural law versus positive law. The distinction between natural law and positive law is critical. Natural law believes that civil laws should reflect morality, ethics, and inherent rights. Positive law, crafted through legislative processes and may or may not align with natural values. Examples of positive laws include traffic regulations and legal drinking ages. Natural law emphasizes that while we create laws to manage society, those laws must be rooted in ethical standards derived from our understanding of human dignity and morality. Historical perspectives on natural law. Ancient foundations. The origins of natural law theory can be traced back to ancient philosophers. Plato, circa 427 to 347 BCE, emphasized the existence of higher ideals of justice and goodness that transcend human laws. Aristotle, 384 to 322 BCE, proposed the concept of natural justice, arguing that there are universal principles of justice that exist independently of human laws. Medieval contributions. Saint Thomas Aquinas, 1224–25 1274 CE, articulated a Christian perspective on natural law, positing that natural law participates in the eternal law ordained by God. Aquinas argued that human beings should do good and avoid evil as the fundamental principle of natural law. Modern application. In modern history, notable figures like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. encapsulated the principles of natural law in their socio-political teachings. Gandhi condemned actions that defy ethical standards, while King urged individuals to disobey unjust laws, aligning civil rights with moral correctness derived from natural law norms. Natural law in various contexts. Natural law has also found applications across diverse fields. U.S. legal system. Natural law is considered foundational to the U.S. legal system. The Declaration of Independence highlights unalienable rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, forming the philosophical basis of American jurisprudence. However, the application of these principles has not been without compromises and inconsistencies historically. Economic theories. Although ancient philosophers did not primarily focus on economics, natural law has influenced economic theories significantly. Early economists like John Locke and Adam Smith incorporated natural law principles into their thoughts on property rights and market behavior. Smith's ideas on the three natural laws of economics, self-interest, competition, and supply and demand, illustrate the blend of ethical considerations and economic practices. Business ethics. In contemporary business, principles of natural law inform ethical practices. Companies are held accountable to uphold integrity, transparency, and social responsibility, ensuring they do not exploit customers and stakeholders. Criticisms and challenges of natural law theory. Despite its long-standing philosophical significance, natural law theory faces criticism. Cultural relativism. Critics argue that natural law does not account for differing cultural interpretations of justice and fairness. What is deemed just may vary across societies, leading to divergent understandings of natural law principles. Practical application. While natural law advocates for moral laws, the real-world execution of these principles can be complex and fraught with moral ambiguity. Conclusion. Natural law remains a powerful ethical framework asserting that humans are born with an inherent moral compass guiding their behaviors and decisions. It offers a universal understanding of rights that can inform societal laws, guide economic practices, and shape business ethics. While challenges exist in its application, the principles of natural law continue to resonate through various aspects of life, highlighting our collective quest for justice, morality, and the common good. In a world where laws may change, the timeless essence of natural law serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and the moral responsibilities inherent in our existence.